Do you have an XRP plan? Are you ready for what's coming to XRP? Are you part of the XRP army? Well, if all of this is true and you're trying to get yourself in a situation to win big in the crypto space with XRP, this video is for you guys. Right now, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe down below if you have not already. 50 to 60% of the people who watch this video forget to click the subscribe button. I'm here with you guys every single day grinding. It was a nice weekend. I broke away from the charts and came back to the charts pumping. So we've got some major Ripple XRP news updates for you guys. We'll talk about price, talk about Bitcoin, because as Bitcoin goes, so goes the market. Bitcoin looking extremely bullish to start the week, guys. We could see 100K, I believe, this week. And if we do, XRP could potentially make another run at the coveted $3 level. And all of a sudden, things are looking on the up and up right now for crypto, for XRP, for pretty much any of the top altcoins right now. So we're going to get right into it, guys. I want to take you inside this article first. Expert says, if you don't have an XRP plan, you'll be reacting under pressure. So Black Swan Capital's co-founder has boldly warned market participants against underestimating XRP. Yes, there are a lot of skeptics out there, right? But the next significant move he thinks for XRP will be swift. And according to him, the pressure of reacting on the fly could prove costly for those without a clear plan. Meanwhile, they touched on the XRP ledger, arguing its value as a settlement layer becoming increasingly evident over time. XRPL will improve the initial 24-hour settlement times to just 5 seconds. And of course, the recent takeover, Ripple's takeover of Hidden Road, that processes $3 trillion in annual volume, they are going heavy into the traditional finance space. But the next XRP price move could be quick, leaving little room for reaction. This is why I've had my plan with XRP for a very long time. We were accumulating at 40 and 50 cents, making videos when nobody was watching, talking about how we were accumulating because, yes, there was hardly any volume. We did not dip down below 50 cents for very long, though. I feel as if that level now is like $2. Anytime we dip down below $2, we seem to retrace pretty quickly. So XRP's price move, the next one, could be swift, and it could include the launch of spot ETFs, institutional strategies investing in XRP, Ripple's regulatory developments, and partnership/acquisitions. Again, over the weekend, Ripple's CEO and Ripple representatives said that they have no plan to go public. No plan to go public right now. And all their focus is right now is on mergers, acquisitions, partnerships, regulatory developments, getting XRPs through, XRP ETFs through. And XRP right now, guys, I think there's a major risk people aren't seeing, right? And if we go ahead and go over and look at the charts here, let's pull up the XRP chart because things are starting to look very, very bullish for XRP here at 232. And we could begin to kind of see where we are right now. If we take a look at the spot charts here, let's see if we can get this to pop up. Come on. We want to see the chart. There we go. That's Tau. Let's go to XRP. There we go. This is the 4-hour, guys. The 4-hour chart looking very, very strong. We got a huge momentum up, basically right at that $2 level, as we've mentioned. So this is the 4-hour chart. Back earlier this month, we dipped down below to 160, 170. As soon as we got back up to 203, that was our buy signal. Nice little 14% move to the upside. You could be scalping, making this profit. Yes, it's only 14%, but you start doing this, on a daily, weekly basis, you start printing gains. We've been printing with the Trump meme coin too. This thing's up 85% on the 4-hour in the last 9 days. SWE, that chart has been absolutely printing, and XRP starting to find itself in a nice uptrend. Now, if we go to the weekly chart, this is where it gets very, very bullish, in my opinion. We have been in an uptrend now for about a month. Slowly but surely, we're grinding back up into that mid 230 range. What we want to see first is getting above that 20-day EMA. 242 is our level on XRP to get above. If we can get above and stay above 242, the door opens up for a $3 XRP again. But in the intermediary, you could be trading the charts. That's why you got to go check out XT Algo, where you can set up your own alerts. I walk you through how to use the product. That's why I brought it to market back in 2023. Tons of people now are making a ton of money trading the charts using XT Algo, our advanced trading indicator. Super easy to use. I walk you through how to, set it all up. Easy trading. $1 a day gets you started. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You will not be disappointed when you get this product in your hands. You can at least try it out risk-free for 30 days. Highly encourage you guys to do so. The rest of the market, as we mentioned, Bitcoin at 95 plus. Ethereum looking extremely bullish. Ethereum looks like it could go ahead and make a run back up to 2,500. XRP, as we mentioned, turning up. And SWI just continues to be absolutely dominant right now. Up to 383. Chainlink looks really good, strong. Man, the charts across the board, guys, looking very, very good. This SWI ecosystem's crazy. Deep protocol killing it yet again. Across the board, Walrus, BitTensor Tau has been an amazing play. Here's Brett back in the top 100. It's looking very, very strong. Algorand has been on the up and up. HBAR slowly grinding upwards too. But at the end of the day, guys, XRP is following the rest of the market, looks very, very strong, and they have so many potential catalysts that could propel them beyond the $3 mark here. And once we do break through that, then we're looking at all-time highs. I mean, it's not going to be crazy to see XRP one day just kind of pop off and have one of those exponential moves based on some, key information from the regulatory side or ETF side, especially if we're in an environment right now where the markets are strong, the technicals look good, the fundamentals look good. And I'm just excited about where we are in the markets. Always expect the unexpected. Have a plan. Have your plan in place. Have your profit-taking strategy in place. I've taken profits on XRP from 50 cents up to $3 and have reaccumulated, kept some of those gains in there, and have reaccumulated under 2. And I've got a plan to take a little bit more off the table once we reach new all-time highs. But then I think the floodgates really open, and that's when I think we could potentially see that $7 to $10 target that we've been waiting for. We want to see a double-digit XRP. I appreciate you all for watching. That's my plan right now. Things are looking very good, guys. We're going to have a ton more content out here on the channel. Check out all the links down below if you want to come over and trade with me at BTCC. Definitely do so. $10 bonus on first-time deposits. Amazing, amazing extra bonuses up to $10,000 per users. And 40% lower trading fees only when you sign up to BTCC and use my link down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.